Welcome to day 9 of our 365-day English challenge. Today's challenge will boost your speaking skills by helping you describe an image in detail. Why is this important? It improves your vocabulary fluency, it helps you think in English, it makes your English sound more natural. You'll see an image on the screen, and your task is to describe it as best as you can. Let's get started. Step 1. Observe the image. Look carefully at the image. What do you see? People? Objects? Colors? Actions? Describe expressions, movements, weather, and surroundings. What season could it be? What do you think the people are doing? What do the buildings tell you about the place? The more details you add, the better your English will sound. Speaking out loud boosts confidence. The more you practice, the easier English becomes. Okay, let me describe this image. The image shows a busy street scene in an urban area during the daytime. There are people walking on the sidewalks, some carrying shopping bags, while others are chatting. Vehicles, including cars and bicycles, are moving along the road. In the background, there are tall buildings, colorful shop signs, and streetlights. The weather appears to be clear and sunny, with a bright blue sky and a few white clouds. Some people are seen waiting at a crosswalk, while others are entering or exiting shops. The overall scene is lively and full of movement, capturing the essence of a bustling city. Okay, now you will see another image on the screen. Your task is to describe this image in comments. It will help you to improve your writing and speaking skills and also sentence formation. Try to describe this image. I will give you hints. What do you think the people are buying? How does the marketplace feel? Busy, quiet, or exciting? What colors stand out the most? What kind of music do you think the musician is playing? What could be the most delicious food in this market? What time of day do you think it is? Morning, afternoon, or evening? What emotions do the people in the image show? Are they happy, sad, or busy? What kind of weather is in the image? Is it sunny, rainy, or cloudy? You can refer the previous description and form the sentence for this image on your own. The more details you add, the better your English will sound. Mistakes are proof that you're improving. Keep practicing. What stands out the most in the image? Are there any signs or writings? What do they say? Does this place remind you of somewhere you have been before? Where? If you had to give this image for title, what would it be? What sounds do you imagine in this place? What do their clothes tell you about the climate or culture? If you are struggling to form the sentence, then first write it down in a piece of paper and read aloud. Don't forget to comment. Great job today. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. Consistency is the key. Tomorrow's challenge will be even more exciting, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for daily English challenges. See you in day 10.